This is Yo Form of Verbs, Part 4. So far, you have made it through regular present tense verbs in the yo form only. We've done go verbs, we've done ho verbs, we've done verbs that end in oy, and we just have a couple more left for you to add to your notes. So thank you for sticking with me. The yo forms of verbs are, of course, important for you to be able to talk about yourself in Spanish, but these are going to be the basis for us to use the subjunctive in the future as well. So we really want to get these down, even the ones that are especially irregular or not so common. So these are SCO verbs that end in CER and CIR, like conocer, desobedecer, obedecer, conducir, y producir. Go to ZCO in the yo form instead of just CO, right? Conocer, conozco, not conozco, which just sounds bizarre. So conocer is to know or be familiar with a person or place. Obedecer, to obey. Desobedecer, of course, to disobey. Conducir is to drive. It's a synonym for manejar. It's also to conduct. If you're conducting like a train conductor, if you're conducting an orchestra, that's the verb you use. Producir, of course, to produce, along with a few others that are a little bit more obscure. Por ejemplo, conozco a mucha gente que habla español. Me dicen que el español que produzco yo es muy castellano, o sea, del centro de España, porque es así donde yo estudié el idioma. Pues ustedes tienen allí una terrible foto de mí, pero una buena foto de mis bonitas amigas dominicanas en la República Dominicana y 2 fotos de mí, de España, cuando estuve allí en 2006. Ahora te toca a ti. Escribe 1 o 2 frases en español que usen estos verbos en la forma yo. Deben ser frases que conectan con tu vida personal. A ver cuántos verbos puedes usar en una sola frase. Sean creativos. Pause this video, write your couple of sentences, and then you can move forward. Vale, continuamos. Un verbo especial es el verbo saber. Saber means to know information, to know how to do something, to know facts. Saber in the yo form is just sé, as in, no sé. Why is this verb in its own category? Why does this verb do this instead of like sabo? No sé. See what I did there? Now, saber and conocer both mean to know in English, but they're used in different contexts in Spanish. So for a really good explanation by a native speaker, click the link to the video above and it will take you to a YouTube video that I really like that explains the difference between the two. Dos categorías más. Primero, verbos con Y. Why? Notice anything these infinitives all have in common? These infinitives all end in UIR. Construir, destruir, oír, influir. And I couldn't help myself. I had to put oír in there, even though oír, to hear, is a yo-go verb, oigo. It has a Y in some of the other forms, so it technically also belongs to this category. Lastly, we have some verbs with some accent issues. These are verbs that end in UAR or IAR, along with sonreír and reír. Pause the video and write these down. Ahora te toca a ti. Write your sentences with these verbs, and then we're done with our notes. Woohoo! You made it!